A private jet carrying NASCAR icon Greg Biffle, his wife and children, and several family friends exploded in a devastating crash Thursday morning at Statesville Regional Airport, killing all 7 people aboard, according to officials and statements from families. Surveillance footage from the airport shows the Cessna 500, Cessna C550, business jet erupting into flames on the runway after the aircraft barreled across the pavement and was consumed by thick black smoke. The victims have been identified as Greg Biffle, 55, celebrated NASCAR driver and one of the sport's most respected figures; Christina Grosse Biffle, his wife; Emma Biffle, 14, Biffle's daughter; Ryder Biffle, 5, the couple's son; Dennis Dutton and his son Jack, family friends; Craig Wadsworth, a close friend and NASCAR community figure. The group had been traveling to Florida for a birthday trip when the fatal crash occurred. Family members said Christina texted her mother moments before the crash with a chilling message: "We're in trouble." Emergency crews were called to Statesville Regional Airport shortly before 10:30 a.m. Thursday after witnesses reported seeing the small jet struggling shortly after takeoff. The aircraft attempted to return to the runway but struck the ground and burst into a large fireball. Both the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) and the National Transportation Safety Board (NTSB) have launched investigations into the cause of the crash. Weather conditions that morning included cloudy skies and drizzle, which may have played a role in the difficulties faced by the flight crew. Greg Biffle was one of NASCAR's standout competitors in the early 2000s, recognized for his daring driving style and multiple series titles. He amassed more than 50 wins across NASCAR's national circuits, including 19 in the Cup Series, and was named one of NASCAR's 75 greatest drivers. Off the track, Biffle was widely admired for his humanitarian efforts. In 2024, he received the National Motorsports Press Association's Myers Brothers Award for his role in rescue and relief operations following Hurricane Helene, where he flew his personal helicopter into devastated areas to help stranded residents. Leaders across the NASCAR community have expressed deep sorrow. NASCAR is devastated by the tragic loss of Greg Biffle, his family and friends, the organization said in a statement. Greg was more than a champion driver. He was a beloved member of the NASCAR community, a fierce competitor, and a friend to so many. Fellow drivers, team owners, and public figures have also shared tributes to Biffle's legacy both on and off the racetrack. In a joint statement, the families of the victims described the unimaginable grief they are facing and the void left by their sudden loss. "We are devastated by the loss of our loved ones. This tragedy has left all of our families heartbroken beyond words. Each of them meant everything to us, and their absence leaves an immeasurable void in our lives," the statement read.